Pi Passkey. Enable it or lose your account. Major update. Dear pioneers, Pi has just launched a major update in its app to secure your account from hackers, crypto thieves, and exploiters, giving you a safer, faster, and easier password-free login experience. If you don't understand what it is and fail to enable it immediately, you might risk losing your account within the next few hours, or at most, within days. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do it now for more similar, informative, and useful crypto videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications about our upcoming content. For real-time crypto updates and other exclusive benefits, I suggest you to join our WhatsApp channel. The link is provided in the description.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
Dear pioneers, some of you might have received prompt about adding Passkey within Pi app recently, and some might have noticed its addition silently with milder prompt in your profile. For those who can't find this option in their Pi app yet, don't worry. It will be rolled out to you very soon. So today's video is going to be more useful, more interesting, and more informative. Don't even think about leaving it unwatched or skipping any part. Otherwise, you might risk losing your Pi account very soon. What is Passkey? Passkey is newly launched one-tap security feature by Pi to protect your account from unauthorized and unpermitted logins, even if someone, by any fraudulent means, manages to acquire your email and password. How does Passkey work? Its function or utility is very simple and easy. When enabled, your Pi account will be logged in with exact method that you use to unlock your mobile device. Suppose when you unlock your mobile device, you use a password, PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face login. After enabling Passkey, your Pi app will ask the same to input or enter for login. In such a case, if someone has stolen your email, registered with Pi and its password too, even though he will not be able to open or log in to your Pi account. Your Pi account will now be associated with your phone device. Is enabling Passkey mandatory? From Pi's side, till now, it has not been a must-do action. It's just an additional layer of security. But if you ask me, it should be more than mandatory. A recent Pi survey confirms that out of 70 million pioneers, 1 million have already fallen victim to account hacking, losing their hard-earned assets. And the most dangerous part? More than 2 million users, and you could also be among them, have been silently hacked. Their login credentials have been breached, but they don't even know it yet, because hackers are just waiting for those accounts to migrate to mainnet or accumulate enough assets before striking. You know, most of these hackers used a very sharp method to trick millions of pioneers. They simply convinced users to enter their login credentials or wallet passphrases after opening scam links that looked almost identical to official Pi links within the Pi browser. And boom, everything gone. Don't believe me? Let's watch a short video, one of thousands currently circulating across hundreds of Pi-related Facebook pages. I may fast forward or skip some parts to keep it short. Apologies for not recording it with sound. In this video, Dr. Nicholas, the founder of Pi Network, appears to be directing pioneers to verify their accounts, warning that otherwise their accounts will be suspended. At the end, you're told to type a link directly inside the Pi browser and then enter your passphrase. It all looks so genuine because at no point do you leave the Pi app. But let me tell you, this is an AI-generated video, and if you enter your passphrase there, you will be hacked. This is just one example. You might already have been tricked by another technique. Hackers are getting smarter every day. So, millions of pioneers have already performed such actions innocently. While many haven't noticed any loss yet, as I explained earlier, they've unknowingly become victims and will lose everything whenever hackers decide it's right time to hunt. In simple words, if you haven't lost anything yet, that doesn't mean you're safe. You may already have been breached, and your account might already be in the hands of hackers. How dangerous is that? That's why adding a passkey is not just a precaution. It keeps you safe from such clever and technical tricks of hackers, even if they have your login credentials. Difference: password, passphrase, and passkey. Almost all of you might be confused between password, passphrase, and passkey, all three within Pi app. Right? Let me make it clear. Password. A password is what you use to log in to your Pi account. If you forget it, Pi allows you to reset it through your registered email. Simple and straightforward. Passphrase. The passphrase has nothing to do with your login credentials. Instead, it's used to access your Pi wallet inside the Pi browser once you are already logged in. Losing it means losing access to your wallet. And unlike a password, it cannot be reset by Pi. Passkey. The passkey is linked directly to your mobile device. It's different from both the password and the passphrase. Once enabled, the Pi app will no longer ask you for your Pi password on that specific device, no matter how many times you log out or log in. Instead, you'll log in using your device's own authentication method, whether that's your phone PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, or Face ID. Clear now? How to add passkey. So it's now time to do it practically. Let's switch to mobile screen. Open your Pi app. Tap on Hamburger menu, 3 lines at top right corner. Tap Profile. Here it is, Passkey Edition option. Currently, it's showing Not Added. Tap the Add button. Enter your password here. Keep in mind, this must be your Pi app password. Tap Continue. App is showing now your email, registered with Pi. If this is not the email you registered with Pi, tap the arrow and select the correct one from the emails listed on your device. Tap Continue. Now enter here the PIN, password, pattern, or face login that you use to unlock your device. And here it is, your passkey has successfully been added. You noticed? It's showing that the passkey is integrated with your phone device. You must have also received an official email from Pi confirming that from now onward, after adding a passkey, you will use your phone's PIN, password, pattern, or Face ID to log in to the Pi app, just like you unlock your mobile phone. How to remove passkey. If for any reason you want to remove passkey, here is the way. Open your Pi app, tap on Hamburger menu, 3 lines at top right corner, tap on Profile. Scroll down till you reach up to passkey, tap Manage, and tap Remove. And your device will be exactly like before adding the passkey. So, friends, must add passkey to your Pi app and secure your account right now. Join InterLink Network, 100 times better than Pi. Before leaving, I want to add that I have uploaded several videos on a new mining app, InterLink Lab Network, on my YouTube channel. I have no doubt that InterLink Lab Network is bringing a revolution in the world of crypto mining. In fact, that revolution has already begun. As of today, more than 26 million InterLink IDs have been registered, with 18 million successfully verified. The platform now boasts over 16 million daily active users. It's backed by Google for Startups and Amazon, and the team is even aiming for a future listing on the New York Stock Exchange. These clear signs of the massive horizons that InterLink Network is about to reach. You can watch all my videos on InterLink, from making account to mining, by tapping the I button above and opening the InterLink playlist. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your colleagues and on relevant Facebook pages to help other pioneers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I try to read every comment, and I truly enjoy responding to each one. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.